Hello everyone, welcome to PowerApps Full Course Playlist. Today in this video you will learn about Dataverse in PowerApp. Hi, this is Krupali from KnowHow Academy. Before going ahead in this video, let me tell you what you will learn from this video. First, you will learn why there is a need of Dataverse. Second, what is Dataverse? Third, how to open Microsoft Dataverse. Fourth, what is the use of Microsoft Dataverse in Power App? And fifth, how you can create Power App using Microsoft Dataverse. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, let me tell you why there is a need of using Microsoft Dataverse in Power App. So as you know that Power App can connect with different data sources like SQL Server, Excel, MySQL and n number of database. If you are making table in Microsoft SQL Server, so what you need to do? You need to write a query to create a table, then you need to execute the query and then table will be created. After creating a table, if you want to insert data, again you need to write a query. And you need to take care of data security, data encryption, data decryption, and all these things. So, as a developer, you need to take care of so many things to work with one table. And even if it is hard to maintain the data change log in database. So, to overcome the problem of this, Dataverse comes to the picture. So, I hope you understand why Dataverse is needed. Now let me tell you the second thing, what exactly Dataverse is. So Dataverse is basically a Microsoft database management system using which you can make your table without writing a single line of code or single line of query. And Microsoft Dataverse will take care of the data sharing, data security, data encryption, data decryption, and it will also manage the data change log itself in Dataverse table. So as a developer, you just need to make a table, work with data, and rest of the things take care by Microsoft Dataverse. Now third thing, let me tell you how to open Dataverse. So first of all, you need to log in into your Power App developer account, and here you will see the table section. So you need to click that. So automatically Dataverse homepage here you will see. Now here you will see you can make new table, you can import existing table in Microsoft Dataverse, or if any existing table data you want in other format like Excel or anything, then you can export the data. You can analyze data itself here in this Microsoft Dataverse. And here you will see the table which is designed by Microsoft Dataverse. One thing which is good about Microsoft Dataverse is that it has a pre-built table which can be used in any application. So table design is ready, even in that table dummy data is there. So you can start making your app directly and test it directly. So here making a table, inserting a data into the table, that things can be eliminated if your table is found in existing table list. Now, second thing is that let's say the table which Dataverse are providing, if it is not useful to your application, you can make your own table. Just click on this new table and you can start creating new table from here. So this way you can start working with Microsoft Dataverse. Now fourth thing, let me tell you what is the use of Dataverse in Power App. So let me show you the practical demo. So let's say here I have already made one application. Let me open that application. So here you can see these are the different user information is there. Now that information is coming from Microsoft Dataverse, one of the table. Now if you click here, you will see this symbol. So this is indication that that table is a table of Microsoft Dataverse. You can click on this three dot and you can directly start editing data here in itself Power App Studio. Okay, you can add new row, you can add new column, or you can edit the table properties from here also. You can click on close if you don't want to do anything, and whatever data is there in login table, you can directly start using this data in your Power App. And do you know, one of the good thing about Dataverse is that to connect Power App with the Dataverse, no connector is required. Directly you can click on this add data and search the table, let's say student, and then you can click that and automatically that table will be added. So here connector is also not required to add the table. So let me tell you how you can create your Power App using Microsoft Dataverse. So first of all, you need to click on create. Then here, if you want to create app from the scratch, you can select blank app. But I want to create an app directly with the Microsoft Dataverse table. So you can select that Microsoft Dataverse. Then they will ask you that which table you want to use in your application. So first of all, you need to select the account. Okay, so I have this account, so I'm selecting that account. Then it will ask that which table you want to use in your application. So before designing a screen, they are asking that what data you need. Let's say I need account table. You can select any table data you want. So I'm selecting account and click on connect. So automatically Power App will take data from that table, design their screen, put control in that, and establish a connection. So all things will be done within a fraction of time. So here is the result. You can see that Power App automatically made three screens. First is browse screen, detail screen, and edit screen. Using that, you can start building your app. So only things you need to design is that if extra screen is needed, you can design it. Add, update, and delete screen design is already ready. Let me save it first. Let's say here I am giving name Dataverse app. Okay, you can give any name and click on save and then start run. So here search facility is there. Here you can sorting facility is there, just like ascending or descending order. You can click on this, so detail information will be there. So viewing data facility is also there. If you want to edit that, you can edit this. So let's say instead of Raymond, I want to write 1, 2, 3, Raymond 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I want to change it, I need to click on correct sign. So here my data will be updated. If you go back to the browse screen, you will see that data is changed. You can also add new data by clicking plus sign and writing all the things. So do you know what's the beauty of that? Here Power App automatically did the coding of required functionality. I just need to select the table and Power App will do everything by its own. So this is the beauty of Dataverse in Power App. So I hope you understand. Now before ending this video, let me summarize what you have learned from this video. From this video, you learn why Dataverse. Second, you learn what is Dataverse. Third, you learn how to open Dataverse from Power App. Fourth, what is the use of Microsoft Dataverse in Power App? And fifth thing, you learn how you can create Microsoft Power App using Dataverse. Thank you for choosing KnowHow Academy as a source of your IT knowledge. We are always here to help you to navigate to the tech world. If you have any question, do not feel hesitate to reach out us. Stay curious, keep learning.